Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Friday the 14th of November. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see, yesterday we very much continued to the downside. We broke some price support, and we're currently sitting on the monthly R2 area, S2 area. So quite a way down there now. At the moment, it looks like we may just be sort of putting in some sort of bounce. We're quite oversold at these levels. In fact, let me just bring the this is the 4-hourly chart sitting here. Look at the RSI here. It's down at below 10, which is quite extreme here. Now, it's extended quite away from even its short-term moving averages. The red 8 moving average quite a significant distance away here, and well, it could be that we just get some sort of movement to the upside. Now we have got the daily pivot, which sits up at 157.28. Now normally there's a reasonably high probability of those levels being hit. It could well get up there at some point. I do need to see a sort of break. There's a trend line that's running across the highs here, and to be looking for the long side, I really actually just tested it again. I do need to see a break of that level to be looking at the long side. Otherwise, really, it's as much as we've got the daily pivot above us and there's a decent draw on that, really need to be looking for continuations, I guess. Even though it's oversold, it's diverged, it's quite an awkward market to trade in some respects, because when it is so oversold, it's not so easy to want to keep on going short because you're thinking we're going to have a quick correction. So be patient on that one. But as I say, at the moment it's looking weak. Looking at the euro dollar, let's just look at it from the dailies here first. And yesterday we had yet another inside bar, and today we've done a full range of that body of that bar already, and we've broken the trend at the lower levels here, so selling off. Now there's some support areas of the previous lows here, and this is areas we should be watching. So support areas, as I say, on the previous lows here. Look near term there at 124.19, coming across to the shorter time frame, and it's just above. Well, as I say, we've got the 24.20 on this midi here. Could come down here. Very to me, looking at the wedge and looking at the shorter time frames, normally we'd have the size of this wedge on the break, and it would continue to that downside. At the moment, that looks very much to me like it could go all the way down to that 123.76 area. It really depends on how it works out early this morning. But if we do start seeing it selling off, as I say, looking at these prior lows, the near term there at 124.19, somewhere in that region, and then we've got the next level there at 123.94ish, and then the final lot right the way down through the S3. I would imagine that the S3 will come into play there and provide reasonable daily support today. So looking weak. There is a trend line again across the tops here. If we can sort of we'll stick it on the current candle, although realistically it's not finished yet, but it does sit on at least 2 points beforehand. If we can break those levels there, I would be looking maybe for a push back up to these prior highs, if that was to happen. But very, very choppy at the moment, the euro, and quite difficult to trade from that point of view. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a very good day. Bye for now.